So wonderful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to our morning briefing show. I'm really happy and I appreciate it a lot that you spend your precious lifetime with me here in this awesome and great morning briefing show. Thanks to my name is Markus Gabel. I'm your host. That's the morning briefing show with my lovely moderator in the back, Anna. Wonderful. Good morning. And thanks for opening the show and streaming on YouTube here live too. So that's the orga stuff this morning, guys. We stream this Zoom show here on YouTube as well. So if you show it right now live on YouTube or maybe later as a recording, then you'll find your button on the right side. So you click, you can subscribe this channel that you will never miss an episode. You can give us a like if you say that's a cool show, or if you say, no, that's not for me helpful, then you can make thumb down, whatever it is. It's your private perception. There is no right or false in trading. You know, it's always your pen. It's always your own perception, what you have, and it's completely fine for me. If you want to tell us something, or if you want to leave a comment, so you will find the commentary field in YouTube and you can leave your comment there. But now it's live, so I can see it. And good morning, Extreme Temrux. Oliver, good morning. I hope I can say Oliver. Then Don Moonstar, Ian, good morning. You know, Ian knows the pen. And Barry, wonderful good morning. And to my lovely followers here on Zoom as well, Thomas and all the others. Okay, so let's go and share the screen. So then let me fix the chat. So here's the chat. Thomas, good morning. Kurt, lovely good morning. Thanks for being here. And here we go. Now we can start. Okay, first of all, you know, we have a daily routine, and there is one of the seldom direct connections between your normal life and between trading, and having a routine is one of the rare connections between normal life and trading. And you know, we have a daily routine too. As a private trader, you have to follow this routine. This will help you to become calm in trading, to follow the rules and so on. So, and maybe you think this is boring. Then let me repeat what my teacher taught me years ago. And he said, Marcus, the moment you feel trading is boring is the moment you become successful in trading. Then you follow your normal routine. And we do the same. We check the events, then we check our running trades, then we talk about new trading ideas. And the most important thing, we have to follow the rules, we have to stick to rules, and we have to follow the plan. And I can only recommend to you that a daily routine in trading is one of the most important things you can do to become successful in trading. So Tina, wonderful good morning too. So therefore we do the same. That's the upcoming events for today. UK monthly retail sales figures, they are already out. Then we have Eurozone flash PMI at 10 and PMI in UK too at 10:30. And afternoon Canadian dollar comes out with the retail trade. So yes, we can focus on our trades today. So they are not really interesting numbers for us. The best number came out yesterday with the rate decision from the ECB, but it was a non-event because there was nothing. They left rate decision at 0. There were no news. The market didn't know already, so nothing happened. Okay, so let me invite you to today. It's Friday, you know. Today, one of my continuous partners talking about a trading day with a professional trader. I guess this is a really cool topic this afternoon, and maybe you have a bit time, then you can talk about, you can follow this show here on 3 p.m. German time, by the way. So adjust it to your own time wherever you are on this wonderful, lovely planet Earth. A trading day with a professional trader if you want to follow. Okay. So, and by the way, I want to invite you to follow Admirals Global on Instagram too. If you have an Instagram account, you will find a lot of interesting content here. And I guess it's a good idea. If you have an account on Instagram, then you can follow here too. Yes, there were people outside there. Sorry for that noising, but I have to open the doors because it's really warm here. But now they are gone. I guess that was a meeting point this morning for everybody. Okay, so I would say let's go to the charts and we start with the 10 minutes chart in DAX, of course. So first of all, let's make an orientation where we are. Still back on track to the point of control. Point of control actually is placed at 15,774 euros. And as you can see again, yeah, that was the first shot here. It was a failure. The second one, it was here. Unfortunately, I missed it because there was the entry. And look, the trend is still facing upwards. So now we have a little bit difficult situation because we have two different trends. And the first trend is this, because we had a trend break there from this uptrend, the green one. There was a trend break there yesterday. Therefore, as a consequence, we have actually, or still have, a downtrend, the red one, which is facing downwards and is deep in the correction right now. And this correction actually is running with its own trend. And this is an uptrend. So, and this happens within the red zone. So this is a difficult situation. And I have learned in my trading career not to solve difficult situations. So I want to avoid them. So what can I do? So first of all, I can see the point of control is quite far away. So we have a lot of space to go up. It's almost, I would say, 200 points. We can go up. So therefore, I have no problem to wait until this main trend, facing downward main trend, will be broken. And then I can trade the uptrend, because the uptrend is still young. 1, 2, 3, maybe now in the fourth correction, the fourth move, and then the fourth correction, we can trade up to the point of control. So therefore, let's wait. And you know, waiting is, I guess, one of the best habits as a trader you should have, because standing on the sideline waiting for really good trading ideas and really good signals is a kind of best behavior you must have as a trader. And here there was a great winner in this uptrend here, and now we are waiting for the next one. In Dow Jones, we have the uptrend too. You know, the best signal came up here. That was 2 days ago. And yeah, we reached the point of control. And yeah, obviously, they want to reach the last all-time high again. Waiting is a kind of meditation. Yeah, that's true, really. That's true. So, and I'm quite sure that we will hit the all-time high again, and then we will see what happens. So the trend is too old. We cannot ride it again. So we have to wait until either you are in still that point, or you have to wait until we have a new trading chance. But you can see we are going more and more in the green zone, which is the price is really expensive because point of control in hourly chart is down at $34,584. And now, yeah, let's wait for it. It is like it is. Euro USD, we had the rate decision yesterday. So therefore we had a trend break yesterday. So actually there is no trend, and you know, NT, no trend, no trade. So which means, look, where is the point of control? That's the most important point. Point of control is up 121.79. So we are deep in the green lower zone. So which means we have to go up And we are waiting for a new trading idea right now. For that, we need a new uptrend. Without a new uptrend, we are standing on the sideline. That's what we have to do. In gold, we are, first of all, orientation, we are within the red zone or the fair price zone. And you see the price is fighting inside of this zone. And the point of control is a bit lower at $1,078 in gold. And now, yeah, the price is going up again, stronger gold this morning. But the trend will break here. The trend will break here. And as long as the trend is not broken here, we have to speculate that the price will go down and the trend will continue to the lower side. So in gold, we have to wait until we see a balance candle after trend candles. So the balance candle must be at a special point, not anywhere, just only as a consequence after a move. Yeah, and now the price is going up, which means you can speculate that the next candle will be a trend candle up. And then afterwards, we need a balance candle that we can realize that the up move is over and the volume carries that the price will go down again. So no hurry, no pressure there on the watch list. In crude oil, yes, still in the red zone. I guess we will reach the point of control anytime. And as I mentioned yesterday, we reached this volume zone here, as you can see again. And this is a kind of a resist here right now, but the trend is still valid. It's still strong. You can see it as the price will not going lower. You see, there are a lot of buyers there with a lot of volume there. So they push the price up. And I'm quite sure that we will reach the point of control, maybe not today, but maybe next week. However, for us, the signal were here, and you see we reach point 2 in profit. You see it's fine what we are doing here. And we need time, of course. It's always the same matter. So what's about our running trades? And yes, I start with the US dollar Swiss franc. It's unfortunately a loser, but I trailed my stop already, so I will lose less money because not at the highest, but not at the 0.3. So because I must realize that after the price or after the price pulled me into that trade, the price is going up. So we have a bit stronger US dollar at the moment, which means I see the bus is not driving in my direction longer. So I have to go out. So therefore I trailed my hard stop closer because then they will get me out. But if I have my next signal, I have to do it again. It is like it is. I have to follow the plan, and sometimes it's a bit stupid. But this is happening very often within the red zone. So the price is quite fair, but the trend is also valid. And this is still the current downtrend here right now. There was no trend continuation there, and we didn't reach the 0.2 already. Yeah. Oh, the first time, yes, here. But only two things can happen, guys. Only two things. First option, we see a trend continuation to the lower side. Second option, the trend will break. But for a trend break, we have to go up at 0.9167 here at the last 0.3. So, and everything what happens between this range, the 0.3 and the 0.2 is just a time extended correction. No more, no less. So then let's go to new trading ideas. And I want to show you it's Euro Canadian dollar, first of all. Let's see, Euro Canadian dollar. Here we go. So Euro Canadian dollar, there is a new signal. Look, we have yesterday there was a balance candle here, but the price went down. So we are deep in this zone, which means this is the trend. Move, correction, and next move, and next correction, and then move, this move, then the correction. So we made a profitable trade already, and we realize we are deep, still deep in the green zone. Yeah, so there was a signal yesterday, but we didn't get in because the price went down afterwards. And now we are waiting, yeah, for a bit of balance candle, but this is not a balance candle. You see it's less volume. Look at the volume indicator on the bottom of the chart. You see less volume, really less volume. So just wait. If you can see that the price will really going up. So we have a lot of space to go up. Just put it on your watch list for today. And next one is British pound, New Zealand dollar. So here we have another short signal. Look, this is the trend. Move. Correction. Thanks. Wrong button. Correction. Then the move. And correction. So we reached the last point too a bit, but not really. And now we are circling around the point of control. So here, this candle, this current candle here right now, this will end, this will be finished at 11. And if this is a balanced candle, maybe we can speculate that we can go in maybe here lower, a bit lower here at that point. So we can go there, reach the point 2 and speculate on a trend continuation, but only if we can see that the price will really going up. But if you read the chart properly, then you see that's a trend candle short, another trend candle short, and now it's a balanced candle after short trend candles, which means the move to the lower side comes to an end. And we need a balanced candle after up moves, like this one. Look, one, 2, 3, 4 trend candles up, then balanced candle. This is what we need. And then there was 1, 2 short candles, and now we have a balanced candle, which means the down move comes to an end. So therefore we have to wait, and that makes no sense for the moment to set a pending order there. Only the next candle will be a balanced candle too. Then we can see, okay, there is a big fight between buyers and sellers and the volume there. And this is normal. It's normal happening. Look where we are, exactly at the point of control. Therefore, and this is the reason why we see this time extend correction right now, because we are circling at the fair price. And the market says, what do you want from me? We are fair already. Let me go. Okay, so therefore we need clear signals, yeah? Clear signals. It seems DAX goes up. It's possible, yes. Yeah, that's fine. So now we have indeed this situation that not yet. We need a break. We need a close above the last 0.3. We need a close there. So without a close, another trend break, another trend break. And we need a close above the last 0.2 from this green trend. Maybe this will happen with this candle. Then, so both things must happen. And then we can think about next correction then for DAX. So put in your watch list British pound to Swiss franc also, okay? So let's go and let's see about our running trades. Before we do that, I have my question for you for today. And Anna, if you're ready, we can open the poll of today, or the question of today. And you know, I ask you on Monday about your goals for this week. So, and I promised you, I will ask you on Friday, did you work on your goals this week so far? So I have three answers for you. Yeah, I did, or no, I did not. I don't have any goals yet. So feel free, there is no name. It's completely anonymous. I just see the numbers, no more, no less, and we can do it on YouTube as well. So did you work on your goals this week? Yeah or yes or no? Or I don't have any goals yet. And while you think about it, and the best thing is, be honest to yourself. Don't trick yourself. Don't lie to yourself. This is planting bad seeds. And then if you lie to yourself, you watch yourself tricking and lying to yourself. This is you watch yourself doing that. This will planting a bad seed into your subconsciousness. And this will has as a consequence, you will realize very, very quick that people are lying to you. This is how karma works. This is how the seed system works. If you plant good seeds, you will realize that people will do good things to you. But if you do bad things and if you plant bad seeds, this is lying to yourself. You don't have to lie to people. It's enough if you watch yourself lying and tricking to yourself. Then you will realize other people will lie and trick out yours will too. And think about it. It is a fact, absolutely. So the more honest you are, the better it is for yourself, not for me, just for you. So we have still running trades, Australian dollar, Swiss franc. You know, we are on track and we are still in this, and we still working on that we reach the point of control, and point of control is still down 0.66400. The trend is still valid. Maybe we can bit trail a soft stop a bit higher there, the last 0.3. So, but this is normal happening within the red zone. Yeah. So then next one we are still in is Australian dollar, Japanese yen. And we are still in this trend, and we sold already half the position. The price were rejected at this volume zone. Now the price is going up, but we trailed the stop into profit. Nothing can happen. Yeah. So, and if we will get out, then we had a profitable trade and everything is fine. And then we are on the sideline and we have a look at the new trading idea, because the downtrend actually is really, really old and normal behavior that the trend anytime will break. Yeah. So I'm going to be reacting if the price will going back maybe here again, and I can see the price is rejecting here again, then I will go out, or then I will trail my stop closer and will take my money. Canadian Japanese yen, still in. We have a bit of a trend. No, there's no trend break, because trend break will happening here. That's the last 0.3. And this is a bit different to Australian dollar, Japanese yen, because the point of control, the point of control is switched up a bit. So there is our point of control and there is my target. Yeah, here is my final target, and I'm still in the green zone. And you know, as you can see in Aussie Swiss franc and Euro Swiss franc, it's always the same behavior. We go back from extreme zones back to the point of control, trust the system, and then you can make a lot of money with that. Still in Euro Australian dollar, and you see price is going up a bit again, but we are within the red zone. So we have to work more carefully. So my private goal, where I can see, is a bit that point of high there. Let's see what happens. The trend is still valid. As you can see, we sold half the position, stop losses in profit. Nothing can happen. Let it go. Don't intervene in your own trades. Let the market decide how much money you will get. In Euro Canadian dollar, Yeah, we are waiting for an entry. So maybe if you are, if you trade this in hourly chart, because I know people, they are trading this in hourly chart, then you have a different situation, guys. Yeah, in different situation, because this is a downtrend here, as you can see. So this is the downtrend. No, this is not what I wanted to do. So give me a bit. So here we go. So that's the downtrend in euro Canadian dollar. Move, correction, move, correction, move, correction. It's a downtrend here right now. So, and you see, we reached again 0.2, but without a close, And it is possible that finally in hourly chart, we reach the point 2, the point of control 2. For us in 4-hourly chart, it is not a problem because point of control is a bit higher than my point 3. And as long as my point 3 in 4-hourly chart is not broken, I can trade into the long direction. But in hourly chart, this is a downtrend, by the way. Don't forget it. So then let's go to what do we have? Euro Australian dollar, Euro Canadian, Euro Swiss franc is our next running trade. And yes, you know, we are still in, and again, we reached almost point of control. So I don't care about that. Let's think about a bit at the point, a soft stop here roundabout. And I'm still speculating that finally we reach the point of control. Then it's on my watch list. We have Euro, British pound, Japanese yen. Here we are still in, and this is the same like in the other ones. So just wait. We sold half the position, and point of control is really far away. You can see here, really, really far away. So, and this is my trend actually. So we have a main trend. Look, this is the main trend. It's coming down, move, correction, move, correction, move, correction. Big move, yeah, big correction. Let's see, yes, that was trend continuation there. So move, correction, move. So we realize 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 correction. And in this downtrend, you see there is a secondary trend, movement, correction, move, correction, big move, and big correction. So let it go. We have two trends. Two trends are facing downwards. There is no problem. So if we will get out here with our stop loss, then this trend, 1, 2 is the third correction, and we can do it again because the point of control is quite far away and we have to do it again. So even we will get out, just keep it in your watch list. What is the red and green indicator on the left-hand side? This is market profile indicator. If you're interested on it, send me an email about my homepage. So then we are still in US dollar, Canadian dollar. And yeah, the price is still going up. And you know, we didn't reach the point of control is higher here. And this is my final target. So trend is still valid. Trend is still valid. So we came up here, move, correction, move, correction. There was the entry by our rules. First target there. That's the trend. Big move, correction, next big move, correction, next big move. Now we are on the correction. So there is nothing to do for the moment. New entry is actually not really possible because the trend is too old. Yeah. Maybe we can see the next time, maybe a secondary trend, which is doing that. Then you can make a new entry here, but not with this old trend here right now. Wait for a new trend, and this could be a new possibility. So let's see, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. No, we were out. That was a zero game, and we have to wait for a new entry here in that. So, and today it's Friday, let's check our weekly charts, which means, yeah, we are deep in profit with US dollar Polish zloty, which means we can trail the hard stop to this balance, to this candle from this week, and also in US dollar Romanian leu, same, trail your stop higher and make profits with that. Okay, finally, I guess in US dollar Romanian leu, I think we can reach the point of control, but in weekly chart, trail the hard stop, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks in a row with rising prices. So there must come a correction anytime. And then maybe we get out and we can do it then again. Okay, guys, that's we have a really successful week this week, and we are back on track. So let's check the DAX. Okay, God, now we have a trend break. Look, that's the trend break right now. So which means the downtrend is over, and now this uptrend is going here. Here, now we wait for a next correction based on our rules, and then we can make a new trend because, we want to reach the point of control. So just now keep DAX 10 minutes on your watch list and wait for a new signal, and then we can go up again. So that was my part for today, guys. And the question for today, did you work on your goals this week? So we have a clear answer, a clear result. 70% says, yeah, I did. 70% says, no, I didn't. And 13%, yes, no, I don't have any goals yet. So I only can repeat what I told you on Monday. If you don't have any goals, you should have goals for your trade, because in your life, I guess you have goals too. So why you should not having rules, not having goals in your trade? The point is, if you don't have any goals for your trade or for your trading, you will never reach anything else. Without a goal, how you will know where do you have to go? And one of the smallest goals ever is sticking to rules with every single trade. That's what you have to do. And in my opinion, trading to be a trader without a goal is based on coincidence. You will never reach anything else. So, and if you say, no, I did not work on my goals this week, then let me tell you this one. If you have goals and if you don't work on that goals, then your goals will move far away into the future. But do you know how long you will live? Maybe tomorrow is your last day. So for example, I start every morning with 20 minutes meditation. And a bit part of this meditation, the last 5 minutes, I spend with a so-called death meditation. It sounds harsh, but it's not that what it sounds like. Death meditation means I spend 5 minutes in this meditation to think about what I want to do today, if it be the last day of my life. So I go through my day, and I go in that way through my day that I say, this evening I have to go. This evening I must go. So this is my last day on this planet Earth. So therefore I go through my day, and I want to give my best to working on goals, to planting good seeds, to do good things for other people. And this is what I do, because you don't know when is your last day on this planet Earth. So why you should not working on your goals? It makes no sense. Then I want to spend all my money before I die. Yeah, maybe you must not spend all your money, but maybe it's a good thing to spend money to people they don't have the possibility to work on a luxury product like trading. So this is what we can do for others. And I swear and I promise you, it will come back to you. So be careful with having no goals and be very careful not working on your goals, because every day could be your last day. You don't know it. So don't waste lifetime. Have respect about money and your lifetime. And this maybe could be a thing you can work on. You can think about it on your next weekend, because today is the last trading day. And I want to say for this wonderful and lovely week, Anna, thanks for supporting me in this week. And I hope you will have a nice weekend. We can see each other on Monday again. And we can use the weekends to recover, to do good things, and to spend time with family, friends, or maybe with ourselves to do anything else except from trading. And I want to say thank you. Thank you that you spent your precious lifetime with me this week. And now, as always, I want to say goodbye and have courage and be kind. And as always, may the force of the rules be with you. See you